If your feed of Instagram is not loading, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. So the first thing straight away is that you can do is try to check if your internet connection is stable. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to a cellular data or vice versa. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the data or cache of your Instagram app. So just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this setting, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on this option and then tap on clear all data. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to the iPhone storage and then offload your application. Now, once you've done this step, you'll need to again log in back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Now, what also likely will cause this issue is if you are currently connected to a VPN, you can try disconnecting and try to see if the issue is now fixed. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram feed loading problem. If this guide video did help you out, do let me know, and that's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.